días desde Argentina. This is my second day in Buenos Aires. We have a breakfast here. So it's raining here in Buenos Aires, but humidity is high. Also it's good weather. Avenida Corrientes. Alright, my breakfast has arrived now. Omelette, avocado, egg, salmon, coco de naranja, fresh orange juice. Okay, vamos. So I had my breakfast perfect. So the price was $15. In Argentina, it's a little bit expensive because of inflation. The inflation is 85% right now. And the highest inflation in the world, in the third, maybe. Now I arrived to La Santa Mayor. The city center of Buenos Aires. Opposite side is Casa Rosada is developed beautiful. Casa Rosada. Almond yedin. Okay, let's continue to explore more in Buenos Aires. Next one is San Telmo Market. I saw that Mafalda station. There is a station, Mafalda station. Many people are taking photos. Paseo de la historieta. It's famous for places to visit in Buenos Aires, Argentina. So let's continue to San Telmo Market. Hola. Yeah, can I try it? Is it milk caramel?
Sí.
Similar to caramel milk. Okay, this is similar to caramel milk. It's famous in Argentina and Uruguay. Yes, two countries famous.
Sí. Brasil también.
Sí.
También se hace dulce de leche.
Okay, this is dulce, what is
Dulce de
it?
leche.
Dulce de leche.
Dulce de leche.
Dulce de leche. Okay, that's it.
Naranja.
Naranja?
Yes.
Okay. Naranja is orange. Naranja is orange. Okay.
¿Le gusta el licor?
Hmm?
¿Le gusta el licor? Licor.
What?
Licor. This.
Nico. Okay.
Yes? Try?
Nico.
Licor.
Okay. Inside alcohol.
Yes, 14%.
Okay.
4. No sé.
Okay.
Try flavors.
Okay.
Others.
I will go San Telmo.
Sí.
After San Telmo, I will come here.
Others. This.
우리는 예.
Allá.
Okay.
Okay.
Muchas gracias. Que te vaya bien.
Gracias.
So I tried Dulce de Leche. It's famous